It has made my life so much easier at finding my spices. Hello fellow YouTubers, Bear Prepper here. Today I want to show you my spice cabinet. But first I'd like to thank the Queen's Cabinet. She has amazing organizational skills and I kind of copied this from her. Now mind you, I did mine on a budget. So let's take a look. What do you think? Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, I'm a bit of a spice crazy person, but I like to cook all different kinds of foods and I like to just make sure I always have everything I need. Let's take a closer look. Now I have to admit, if you're tall like me, this is probably easier than if you're a short person, because there's only so much room at the top of these jars that you can put a label on. But I purchased these on Amazon. I'll put a link below. But I wanted to show you, you can also use the store-bought. I prefer the square bottles because as you can see, you can fit a lot more into the space and it just looks beautiful. So here's what the shelf looks like without the spices on it. And all it is boards cut 1/2 inch shorter than the inside of the cupboard. So they start with a 2x2, goes to a 2x4, 2x6, 2x8, and 2x10. That gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to put your spices. Now, I chose to get clear labels from my label maker, and I'm not sure if you can see. I just printed them off. One of the things to remember is put them up high on your jars because there isn't a lot of clearance. If you're a short person, then you might want to do it a little differently because it will make a difference. Well, I hope you give this a try and you make your spice cabinet look as great as mine. And go subscribe to the Queen's Cabinet. Definitely worth your time. Blessings.